Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make frames transparent in Canva. First, select the frame you wish to adjust on your design canvas. Look for the transparency icon, which often looks like a checkerboard, in the top toolbar. Click it, and a slider will appear. Drag this slider left or right to decrease or increase the frame's opacity from 0% to 100%, achieving your desired transparent effect quickly and easily. To achieve more nuanced transparency, try using an overlaying element. Add a shape, like a rectangle or circle, from the Elements tab and place it directly over your frame. Now, select this new element, not the frame itself. Adjust the transparency of this overlaying shape using the same slider we discussed earlier. This method allows you to control the transparency of the content within the frame, offering creative flexibility. For even more advanced effects, explore Canva's blending modes. With your overlaying element still selected, navigate to the Position menu in the toolbar, then click on Layers. Here, you'll find various blending options like Multiply, Screen, or Overlay. Each mode interacts differently with the layers beneath, creating unique visual outcomes. Experiment with these to discover how they can enhance your transparent frame designs. Remember to group elements if you want to apply consistent transparency across multiple parts of your design. Consider using gradient overlays for a subtle fade effect, transitioning from fully opaque to completely transparent. Always save your custom transparent frames as templates for future use, saving you valuable time. Mastering these techniques will significantly elevate your Canva designs, giving them a professional and polished look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.